Hey everybody, Stephanie here with the Machine Gun Nest with today's rental spotlight. Today we're talking about the Salient GRY. This is a really cool AR. If you are unfamiliar with this is a $3,500 AR-15. So if you're asking yourself, why would I pay that much for an AR, I'm going to tell you why. So some of the cool features on this, you might notice right here on the end is this strange looking device. This muzzle device is proprietary to Salient Arms. It is supposed to combine the best of both worlds of a flash hider and a muzzle brake. They call this the jailbreak. Really, really cool. Inside they have really well-made parts. Every single part of this has a lifetime warranty, which is just fantastic. Not many companies are willing to stand behind their product to that degree. Inside you can see this bolt is gold. It's made of titanium nitride. It's super, super sturdy and also really, really easy to clean. So if you're somebody who kind of likes to neglect your firearm at the end or just wants to give it a quick wipe, that's pretty much sufficient for something like this. So on top of this rifle is the Vortex AMG UH-1. It is about a $600 holographic sight. It is fantastic. It makes shooting this a lot of fun. Some other cool features on here that you'll see, it has a really cool texture on the bolt catch. So on here we have some ambidextrous controls, but one of my favorite parts on here is the Geissele Super Dynamic Combat Trigger. So you're gonna see that this is just a flat trigger. The machining on this is just bar none, making it a great value for the price tag. So we just got off the line with the Salient GRY rifle, and it is just fantastic to shoot. As we talked about before, their proprietary jailbreak device, which combines the benefits of a muzzle brake and a flash hider. It keeps the barrel so flat, and it is made for fast follow-up shots. And when you shoot this thing, you really get to experience that. All of these components work together beautifully for a fast, efficient, fantastic shooting experience. So if you want to experience what this is like, we have it here at the range to rent. These are really, really difficult to come by to purchase, but you can rent it here at the Machine Gun Nest. We'll see you at the range.